Hi all. Today we'll discuss one Cognos Interview question, that is difference among drill through, drill down and drill up. Now let's explain what is drill through with practical example. Drill through means navigate from one object to another object. Let's open my report. So this object could be within the page or navigate from one page to another page. Clear? It could be one report to another report also. Let's have a look. In this report, I have given drill through connection in download report test. This is my download, it's just a test. I have given drill through here. Once I click here, it will open my another report, that is nothing but my drill through report. Let's have a look. This report name is sales dashboard product details. So all clear. Drill through report means navigate from one report to another report, and two report could be in same page or different page, anything. This is about drill through. Now coming to drill down. Drill down means navigate from higher granularity to lower granularity. If we talk time dimension, then here is the highest granularity. Then we can drill down to quarter, month and date. So date is the lowest granularity of time dimension. Similar manner, let's have a look in this report. If we talk about IBM sample data source, then here for product dimension, product line is the highest granularity, then product type, then product, then last one is product detail. Got it? Yeah. So now this one is my product line. I will go drill down. This one is product type. Let's go next level of drill down. This is product. The last drill down is product detail. This is my product detail. So this is about drill down. Any doubt? No. Okay. Now come to drill down. What is the meaning of drill down? Drill down means navigate from lower granularity to higher granularity, or we can say lower level to higher level. Now where we are in product detail level, I want to go one step ahead, means in product. Let's go drill up. Yes, one more step drill up. This is now we are at which level? Product level. Now product type level. Let's go to, this is the highest level of product dimension. So in this way you can go drill up and drill down. Similar manner we can do drill up, drill down in here time dimension as well. So this is all about drill up, drill down and compared to drill through report. Thanks for watching this video.